Welcome to GK and Current Affairs Weekly, second week, September 2020. Hey friends, this is Mahendra Vaishnav, getting you to the most competitive question and answers to help you out in competitive exams like UPSC, SSC, etc. Friends, share this video among your friends and relatives and do subscribe to our YouTube channel VM9 India. Also give your comments to improve further. Good luck. Thank you.
Question 1. When was World Suicide Prevention Day observed? Answer: September 10. Question 2. Which Indian company has become the world's 40th most valuable firm? Answer: Reliance Industries. Question 3. India has made visa rules stricter for which country's citizens? Answer: China. Question 4. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of National School of Drama? Answer: Paresh Rawal. Question 5. According to a new study, coronavirus may be capable of directly invading which among the following organs? Answer: brain. Question 6. The Supreme Court has ordered a stay on the reservation for those belonging to which community in government jobs and educational institution in Maharashtra? Answer: Maratha. Question 7. Who launched doorstep banking services for public sector banks, PSBs? And the answer is Nirmala Sitharaman. Question 8. India signed an agreement with which nation for reciprocal provision of supplies and services between the armed forces? Answer: Japan. Question 9. Who was conferred with Indira Gandhi Peace Prize 2019? Answer: David Attenborough. Question 10. Who is the world leader has been nominated for Nobel Peace Prize 2021? Answer: Donald Trump. Question 11. Northrop Grumman has named its next Cygnus spacecraft after which Indian descent astronaut? Answer: Kalpana Chawla. Question 12. India has signed a USD 500 million loan agreement with which international financial institution for Delhi Meerut Regional Rapid Transit System Corridor? Answer: Asian Development Bank. Question 13. When will PM Narendra Modi launch Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana? September 10th. Question 14. The last stage of trials of which COVID-19 vaccine have been paused after a participant fell ill? Answer: AstraZeneca. Question 15. Which private tech investor bought a 1.75% stake in Reliance Retail? Answer: Silver Lake. Question 16. Indian External Minister S. Jaishankar made a stopper in which nation en route to Russia? Answer: Iran. Question 17. India has ranked at which position on the Global Economic Freedom Index 2020? Answer: 105th. Question 18. The United States has revoked visas of more than 1,000 students belonging to which nation? Answer: China. Question 19. India reached a 5-point consensus after talks with which nation? Answer: China. Question 20. Which religious temple has recently granted Foreign Contribution Regulation Act FCRA registration? Answer: Golden Temple. Question 21. Which nation topped the Global Economic Freedom Index 2020? Answer: Hong Kong. Question 22. Which state has announced its first ever heritage tourism policy? Answer: Gujarat. Question 23. The foreign ministers of which three nations attended the RIC Foreign Ministers Meet in Moscow on September 10th? Answer: India, Russia, China. Question 24. Which state's chief minister has launched YSR Asara scheme? Answer: Andhra Pradesh. Question 25. Which nation has broken ranks with China to form a new India Pacific strategy? Answer: Germany. Question 26. When is Hindi Divas observed? Answer: September 14th. Question 27. Which nation has become the fourth Arab nation to make a peace deal with Israel? Answer: Bahrain. Question 28. The Centre has sought Parliament's approval to infuse how much capital into public sector banks? Answer: 20,000 crores. Question 29. Which state will constitute a special security force that will be allowed to conduct searches and arrests without a warrant? Answer: UP, Uttar Pradesh. Question 30. Who is set to become the new Prime Minister of Japan? Answer: Yoshihide Suga. Question 31. Who won the men's singles title at the US Open on September 13th, 2020? Answer: Dominic Thiem. Question 32. Takeo Konishi has taken over as country director of India in which international financial institutions? Answer: Asian Development Bank. Thank you.
I thank the volunteer Komal Vaishnav in helping this project. Thank you.